Welcome to Human IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we will see supplier entry management. Let's first how to add, edit, delete the supplier. So first you have to click on supplier. Then you can click on add supplier. Directly supplier window will come up where you have to put supplier ID. So you can define your own ID also by clicking on here. And for by default, as I've shown you in settings, while creating a company, for supplier, for fixed IDs, you can set the prefix and the sequence number from here. So let's create one supplier. Sai Enterprises. Then you will put the contact number, person name, the contact number, then if any kind of supplier type or category, supplier category is there, you can select it or you can create it from here. Like is a, you can create gold, silver category as per. So if you can create types from here and select, and you can select place also from which place this customer belongs. Then the supplier identification details, GST, TIN, PAN. So let's see it. So put the GST number. Suppose I'm just putting a random GST number. So as I have put a random GST, it will give me a warning that please enter valid. So you can put the valid GST number and select whether it is registered in composition or unregistered, like that. Then put the TIN number, then the PAN number. If any SIN number is there, so that also you can put it over here. Then it comes to address. So for address, for two lines are there. You can divide the address in two lines. So you can put the address like go through Pune. Likewise, you can put the city name. If GST was there, automatically the state would have taken. Then the zip code. Then any landline number is there, you can mention over here. Email ID of that particular. So whenever you set SMS and email at this point, this email will helpful to shoot an email to this particular supplier. Then the opening balance. So when you are putting this opening balance, you can put it either credit or debit. So as the situation is there, and the opening balance date. So if you want to set today's date, simply click on set today. Then any kind of credit limit is there for this particular. You can set the credit limit and the credit day period. We are majorly it is for 30 days. For as per your policies, you can define. If any kind of interest rate is there from the supplier, you can mention it over here. And if you want to put a remark, you can mention here. Then if you are dealing in multi-color currency, like it is a foreign exchange, you can apply multiple currency from here. So in this way, we have seen multi-currency till 7 point. Now I will show you quick supplier. So let's save this. So supplier has been added. So in supplier setting, you will have quick add supplier. So as you click on quick add supplier, you will get what are the fields you need to add the supplier quickly. So first thing I need contact type, and let's say address one is sufficient for me, and I will save it. Now here one more check is there, except in supplier model. So at the time of purchase also you can generate a supplier, and in this supplier model you can also generate. So right now I will not click over here, so I'll show you. So I have saved the settings. So as I click on this add supplier, now you will see only few elements which I have selected are visible to you. So similarly in purchase also, whenever I'm making any kind of purchase, and if I say new supplier, only that particular elements will come up. So in this way, we have seen quick add item, quick add supplier. Then the last thing is preview the supplier. So click on suppliers, supplier view. You will get a list of suppliers over here, and then you can select the supplier for which you want to take a print. Click on here. Print will be generated, and if you want to preview it, simply select it. And so this is PDF format, and if you want to go for a preview, you can simply click on preview. So in this way, you can see the preview. So in this way, we have seen supplier entry management. Thank you for watching the video.